How to turn off autosave to gallery in PhotoRoom. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using PhotoRoom and don't want your edited photos to automatically appear in your phone's or your device's gallery, then you can check the PhotoRoom's export or save setting for an automatic save option. Firstly, open up the PhotoRoom application on your device and make sure that you tap on the Content button at the bottom right corner, and in the menu, go ahead and tap Settings. Once you're inside the Settings tab, you'll see the Autosave to Gallery option. Just switch it off. Now, right after you do that, you will be able to turn off Autosave to Gallery option in PhotoRoom. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.